Ready to unlock your freelance dreams and land high-paying projects with the best talent network? Let's dive into how to get approved on Toptal, keeping in mind that succeeding requires time, effort, and a genuine commitment to the platform. The first step. You'll want to click the Become a Freelancer button on the Toptal website and fill out the initial application. During the process, you'll need to check on areas such as your skills, experience, English proficiency, portfolio, and internet access. Once you finish the initial form, Toptal assesses your application based on different stages. First, there's the initial screening. This is where they review your qualifications. After that comes the language and communication assessment. If you pass that, get ready for the technical screening. This is where they assess your technical abilities. The technical assessment is extensive, testing your practical knowledge in your specialization. Success hinges on solid skills, and passing it puts you one step closer to a live screening. Once approved, you'll undergo a live screening, which involves a virtual interview with a Toptal expert. Next stage, showcasing your best work. Your portfolio needs to shine. Make sure your past projects are displayed. This is a great opportunity to demonstrate your proficiency and understanding of your project. Preparation is crucial. Practice coding challenges typical of your discipline to sharpen your skills for the interview process. Also, be prepared to engage with Toptal in an interview to show your communication skills and readiness to work with Toptal's clients. Once you become a Toptal freelancer, you'll have access to a world of freelance opportunities.